Hello everyone, this is Rachandeep Singh from the Millennium School Patiala. So today we are going to create a new project that what we are going to do, we are going to move the Quarky. Whenever we are going to show it the hand gestures, based on that, it is going to move into the direction that is shown to it. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, we have to click on the file and go into the ML environment. And from there, we are going to create a new project. And for creating that new project, what we have to do, we are going to give it a name. I'm going to give it a name as Quarky Movement. Then in that one, I'm going to select hand pose classifier, and then I'm going to click on create the project. So we are going to wait until the project is being loaded. Now you can see we have two classes here. So let's rename this class for the right movement, second one for the left movement. Now we are going to add one more class, third one for the up, or we can say forward, and next class
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?
downward. And one more class to stop the Quarky. Now let's go start training our system. So what we are going to do, we are going to upload the pictures. Wait, let me just work on the system. Now let's try. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show it some pictures that it is for right direction. Whenever I'm going to show it right direction, then it has to record the video. We will upload around 30 to 35 pictures. Then we are done. Now let's move for the left hand direction. So again, let's go for the webcam. Again, if I'm going to show it left hand, it has to identify it. And again, we are going to hold it. Again, let's upload around 30 to 35 pictures in that. Done. Then let's go for forward. Uploaded. Now for downwards. For downwards, I'm going to show it as this one. stop. Now let's test our system. The model is being trained. Training is complete. Now let's test the image accuracy. We will find it out with that one. If I am moving my hand into this direction, perfectly fine. It is going into the right direction. Then left, accurate. Then forward, backward, and the last one, stop. Perfectly fine. So this is the way through which you can train the model, and after that we are going to export it. Now the model has been exported, and you can see the model has been loaded successfully, and then you can see the output for that. This is the output file that has been created, and after that you can see the working of the Quarky. So that's it for the today's session. I hope you will like this project. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to my channel.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?